Hey friends, my name is Aishwarya and I welcome you to my channel. In today's session, I will be discussing interface in Java. Friends, I will give you a simple example of interface. When you go to an hotel, in hotel the manager gives you the menu card. In this menu card, only the name of the dishes are written. The actual implementation, how the dish has been prepared, it is not written. They will just give the name of the dish, and the actual implementation of dishes is somewhere else. I mean to say, in the kitchen of that hotel or anywhere. Fine, this is the same logic which is there in interface. Now if you can see over here, friends, remember one more thing: Java is a case sensitive language, so when you're declaring an interface, the interface I should be small and the whole interface, the word, should be in in small letters only. Now see over here, I have declared one interface animal. In this I have just declared the methods. I have not written their implementation. This is nothing but interface. In interface we just write the name of the method. We do not do any kind of implementation. Fine. Now I have declared one more class and the name of my class is interface. Now if you remember, when we have to extend any class, we use the keyword extend. I mean to say, whenever we have to inherit any class, inherit any parent class, at the time we use the keyword extends to inherit a class. So in a similar manner, when you want to implement an interface, you will use the keyword implements. It is not implement, it is implements. Java is a case sensitive language. If you done any mistake in writing, it is gonna give you an error. So I am implementing this interface animal. Now if you can see over here, I am redefining the method eats and travel. Now over here I will be doing the actual implementation. Now friends, over here I am just displaying a simple message, but if suppose over here I have, now see, I write one program, public void add. I will just declare the method, and over here I will do the actual implementation, or I will write the actual logic of my program. Int a is equals to 20, b is equals to 30, and c. So I will be printing system dot again println c is equals to a plus b. And now over here in my main method I will call m dot add. Now let's see friends, what is the output for this. Java C interface dot Java. Now it has got compiled. Now I will run this program, and now you can see the output is 50. Now this is nothing but interface. In interface we will create one interface, we will declare the methods over there, and the actual implementation will occur in my next class, but for that I have to implement the interface. Now friends, remember one more thing, very important. You can extend only one class at a time. I mean to say, you can extend only one parent class. You can extend or you can inherit only one parent class, but in interface you can implement more than one interface. Fine. Now if suppose I have one more interface name and animals, then over here I will write implements animal comma animals. I hope friends you have understood it, and this is all about interface in Java. Thank you for